How to import your W-2 into H&R Block. Let's get started. Start by gathering the necessary information, including your employer's EIN, which can be found on your W-2 form, and ensure you have access to your W-2, either as a paper copy or through your employer's payroll provider. Then navigate to the website of H&R Block, log into your account, then start or continue your tax return. Navigate to the Wages and Salary section of your return and click Add or Edit W-2 to begin the process. Select the Import My W-2 option and enter your employer's EIN to locate your W-2 if your employer participates in H&R Block's W-2 import program. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the import, and if required, log into your employer's payroll system such as ADP or Workday to retrieve your electronic W-2. Once the W-2 is imported, review the data carefully for accuracy, including wages, salaries, and federal and state taxes withheld. If your employer does not support electronic imports, choose the option to manually enter the W-2 details using your paper or electronic form to input the required information into the corresponding fields. After completing the W-2 section, save your progress and continue with the rest of your tax return. To ensure a smooth import, verify if your employer supports electronic W-2 imports. Have your payroll system credentials ready and double-check the imported data against your physical W-2 to catch any discrepancies. If you encounter any issues, H&R Block's customer support is available to help. By following these steps, you can quickly and accurately import your W-2 into H&R Block, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.